Truck is totally awesome. It is huge. It's a big green machine. She's just beautiful. She's lifted. She's got 33-inch tires, ready for off-road. She's a two-wheel drive, but she is the 2500, so she's got heavy duty, just everything heavy duty motor. She's got the 6.0. She's got the 4L80 transmission, bigger brakes, bigger rear end. Let's take her for a spin. And I mean, you guys should see the Carfax on this one. Not at work, so I can't really show it to you, but I bought this truck a couple months back. I've had this thing for at least 2-3 months already, and it's just awesome. It's an awesome truck. I fixed just about everything on it. When I first got it, the radio was out. The door panels were all busted up. I got new door panels on it. Headliner is still a little saggy. But I mean, this is a really old truck, and look, I just checked out all the brakes. It brakes just fine. So this is where I live, kind of out here in the middle of nowhere. How do you, hold on. It's not gonna squirt nothing? Oh, I got nothing in the washer fluid. Got my cruise control on. So just a cool truck. You know, 125,000 miles. I've already towed a couple cars with her already. You can see the alignment is just a little off, but that ain't no problem. The suspension is really good, and like I said, man, you guys gotta see the Carfax on this truck right here. The Carfax on this thing is just amazing. The last, I think it's a 2-owner truck. The last owner just put a whole ton of work into it. They changed the rear main seal, hydro boost system, the power brake system. I think that's all integrated into one. A bunch of the brake lines. I mean, this truck was just so well taken care of, and you can see it just drives so smooth. And that's the biggest reason why you get a 2500 truck. I'm gonna say the biggest reason why you buy this truck, a 2500, is the transmission. You know, you heard of the Allison transmission, which is a beast transmission, but this one has the 4L80 transmission, and that one is just an awesome transmission, man. It's just unkillable. Like, no joke, when I buy a 1500 Chevy, the biggest thing I'm worried about is the transmission. That's the biggest thing. And even, I mean, it's like a ticking time bomb. You never know with these transmissions, so you got to be careful. But buying the 4L80, I bought this truck online 100%. I didn't get to see it, hear it, nothing. I didn't get to drive it. Just whatever was described to me, that's all I knew. And as you can see, she just hauls ass. I mean, this truck is so smooth. The transmission is super smooth. The motor's got plenty of power. And I got plenty of space everywhere. I mean, look, it has 120,000 miles. It's a 2002. And just everything is exactly where it's supposed to be. It did have a cover on it right here. That's why this isn't cracked. Yeah, so smooth. You just feel like $1 million in a truck like this. And that's the thing about cars. Cars always give you this kind of feeling. You know, there's always something to it, something about it. It's just beautiful. waste a lot of gas doing that. About 80. Woo! So I will tell you guys this, I service all my vehicles before I do these test drives. You know, we do motor oil, transmission oil on just about every single vehicle. Every vehicle has the tires removed, brakes checked, suspension checked, everything. So I don't just hop on these cars and just go. You know, I make sure that they're safe. I usually have inspections for them. This one I don't have it ready for sale, so I don't have an inspection for it, but I mean, it's just fun truck to drive. Just super fun. Yeah, the only issue with this truck is just it has a little squeak. I think it's the rear suspension, but I'm not 100% sure. But I mean, it's just such a giant truck. But the suspension feels really, really good. Just needs a little bit of an alignment.